Hello everyone, this is Unit 13 here on Scene at the Homestead. I want to share with you these pill pouches from a company out of South Korea called Mansung that's been in business since 1973. I like the idea and the product enough to try it, then made this video for those who are interested in ready-made pill pouches that don't want to make them from vacuum sealer bags like was shown in a previous video I posted on YouTube. Let's start off with the sealer. You can seal the pouches with a flat hair iron or your vacuum sealer. I used an impulse sealer to seal the pouches. I didn't have a flat iron to test it, but I did use my vacuum sealer to test the pouches out on. You can't vacuum seal the pouches, but you can seal them with the sealer feature on a vacuum sealer. I have a food saver vacuum sealer. The pouches are made from polyethylene. They are PBA and phthalate free. They come in two sizes. Small, which is 3 1/16 inch by 1 7/16 of an inch, and large, which are 3 9/16 of an inch by 2 3/4 of an inch. Note that the interior of the pouch storage space will be slightly smaller. All the pouches have a dotted line that runs across the top of the pouch. That's where you need to place your sealer. However, whatever device that you're using to do that, make sure that you seal it down as far as where that dotted line is with the arrow on it. If you seal higher than that, you may not seal the pouch all the way. So make sure that you're using that dotted line to seal those pouches. The pouches come with a loading tray that makes it easy to load the pouches with your medications or your favorite bite-sized candy. Don't forget to insert the expiration date, lot number, and medication type if you're going to use these for long-term storage, or mark the information on the pouch with a Sharpie marker. Loading the desired item into the pouch is super easy with the tray. Place the pouches over the tray insert, then tilt the tray and the pouches, and they're loaded. It's very simple. Then seal with a sealer of your choice. Here I used an impulse sealer. Okay, in this segment, I'm demonstrating the perforations that make it easy to separate the pouches. And then I'm showing how the notches make the pouches easy to open. Now I can have a chocolate treat. I'm happy with the quality of the pouches and simplicity of this system. I'll be using these into the future. Product links will be in the description box under the video. Check them out if you're looking for a ready-made way to package your pills or your favorite candy. This is Unit 13, out.